Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can send fax messages on your Motorola G13. So at the start you have to look for the fax app. In the Play Store you will find a lot of them. I'm always using the EasyFax. So you have to launch it. Decide that you want to get the notifications and add permissions. Now if you want to choose the document, click on this little plus and choose the source of this document. You can choose something from download files like a PDF, import some from a gallery and just take a photo. I will choose the gallery. Oh, sadly I don't have any photos, so I have to take a picture now. Now you can add just the shape of your document and click OK. Then you can choose the filter for your document to make it more visible and click accept icon if you're ready. Now if you want to send only this one, type the number in this place, of course choose the country and optionally you can give a small note. Now if you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on the plus and do it like before. But only if you want to send only this one, just click here and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.